In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove admin access in Constant Contact. Start by logging into your Constant Contact dashboard using your primary owner credentials. This is important because only the primary account owner typically has the permission needed to change another user's access level. Once you are signed in and on the main dashboard, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct account before continuing. Next, move to the upper right corner of the screen. There you will see either your user profile name or your organization name. Click on that area to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to account-level options, including the settings you will need for managing user permissions. From the drop-down, select Setting. This will take you into the Account Settings area, where administrative and user-related controls are located. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the full Settings menu appears so you can clearly see all available options. Once you are in Settings, click the Manage User tab from the top menu options. This section is where you can review the people who currently have access to the account and make changes to their roles. It is a good place to double-check who has what level of permission, especially if you are cleaning up access for your team. Now scroll through the user list to find the person whose administrative access you want to remove. Take your time here and make sure you are selecting the correct user. This is especially helpful if several users have similar names or roles within the account. When you find the right person, click the Actions icon shown as 3 dots next to the user's name and then select Edit User. In some cases, you may also be able to click directly on the user's name to open their profile. Either option should bring you to the same user settings screen. Under the Permissions section, locate the Account Manager role and uncheck it. Removing this option takes away that user's administrative access while keeping the rest of their profile available based on any other permissions they may still have. After making that change, review the page briefly to confirm the permission is now unchecked. This helps prevent mistakes before you leave the screen. That covers everything you need to know.